Hello friends, today we're going to learn how to be a super special big sister. Being a big sister is so much fun. Let's learn how to be the best one. Meet your little sister, she's new and small. She needs your love and care most of all. A gentle touch and a soft voice, showing kindness is always the best choice. Sharing your toys, showing what's new, helps the little one learn from you. Helping mommy when you can makes you super sister and a great helping hand. Reading a book or singing a song makes baby happy all day long. See that smile and hear that cheer, baby loves when you're near. When baby cries and feels so blue, a cuddle or toy can help him too. Playing together, big sister and small, is a great way to bond and have a ball. Saying I love you with a hug so tight makes everything feel just right. Let's sing a song about being a super big sister. Be a big sister, kind and sweet. Help and play, it's such a treat. Share your toys and love each day. That's the big sister way. When baby cries, be near to say I love you, it'll be okay. Help your mommy be a friend. Big sister fun never ends. Thanks for learning with us today. Remember to be a super big sister in every way. Goodbye friends and have a great day. Being a big sister is the best.